staring at my phone all day, hoping that you call and say that you made a mistake walking out that door, that you miss me just as much, maybe more. I rehearsed the words I'd say to you, how I prove my love is true. But the silence cuts deeper than a knife. You were my heart, my soul, my life. Come back to me, I'm falling apart. Every second that we're apart, I'll do anything, change everything. Just give me one more chance to be the man you need, the love you deserve. I'll spend forever making sure you're heard. Baby, come back to me. Don't let this be our ending story. Come back to me. I walk the streets where we used to go, our favorite spots, a spot you'll never know. How much they mean, how much they hurt. Every memory feels like a curse. I see your face in every crowd. Wanna scream your name out loud, but pride keeps my voice locked inside. While my heart is committing suicide, come back to me, I'm falling apart. Every second that we're apart, I'll do anything, change everything. Just give me one more chance to be the man you need, the love you deserve. I'll spend forever making sure you're heard. Baby, come back to me. Don't let this be our ending story. Come back to me. No, I wasn't perfect, I made mistakes. Took your love for granted, now I'm awake to everything I hadn't threw away. I'd do anything to change that day, when I didn't fight to make you stay, when I let my anger lead the way. Now I'm here alone with my regret, the biggest loss I'll never forget. I don't care if I have to wait forever, through the storms and any weather. I'll be right here loving you, that's all I know how to do. If you're scared, I understand, but baby, take my trembling hand. Let me prove that we're worth saving. This love is worth the pain we're braving. Come back to me, I'm on my knees, begging you, baby, please. I'll be better, I'll be strong. I'll right every single wrong. You're the only one I see, the only one who sets me free. Baby, come back to me. You're my destiny, my everything. Come back to me. I'm incomplete, so come back to me. Every night I pray you'll see that we're meant to be. So come back to me. Please come back to me. I need you here with me. Come back to me. I woke up to a text from you, a simple good morning sun. And just like that, the cloudy day finally come undone. I'm walking with a different step, a lighter kind of pace. Cause every road I take today, it somehow leads to your face. And all my friends are asking where I've been. They see me smile and say, let me guess it's there. I try to play it cool, but I know it's true. It's a total eclipse of the heart. Yeah, you're blocking out the gray. It's a fire in the dark, burning brighter every day. I didn't know that I was lost until you showed me the way. It's a total eclipse of the heart, and I'm never looking away. We were so right through to the bone, and we never felt so stellar. We found a diner, ordered fries, and talked till 3 a.m. I knew right then and there my search was at its end. 'Cause with you the silence never feels awkward or long. It feels like coming home, it feels like where I belong. And I finally found the words to my favorite song. It's the total eclipse of the heart. Yeah, you're darkening up the day. So trying it in the dark, finding out every day. I didn't know that I was lost until it showed me the way. So total eclipse of the heart, and I never look at. So take my hand, let's make a mess of these plans. Let's drive all night, just follow the dashboard lights. I don't care where we go, as long as you're in the passenger seat. With you, my whole life feels complete. So total eclipse of the heart, yeah, you're popping out today. So finally in the dark, now they got her everything. Having no life us, you turn it on with red. So total eclipse of the heart, and I never look at it. A total eclipse of the heart. Yeah. I saw you packing up your things tonight, tears streaming down your face in the hallway light. You said you've had enough, you can't take anymore. But baby, please don't walk out that door. I know I've hurt you, I know I've been wrong, but don't give up on us, we're still strong. Just give me one more chance to prove that my whole world revolves around you. Yeah, I'm begging you to stay, don't leave me here alone. This house ain't a home without you. I'm down here on my knees, my pride is gone. Baby, I need you, I need you. Don't throw away the years we built together. I swear I love you better. I'm begging you to stay. Please don't walk away. Remember when we promised forever? Standing at that altar we said never will we let anything tear us apart. Now I'm watching you breaking my heart. I see the pain that I've caused in your eyes, and I hate myself for making you cry. But losing you would be my biggest regret. Baby, we're not finished yet. I'm begging you to stay, don't leave me here alone. This house ain't a home without you. I'm down here on my knees, my pride is gone. Baby, I need you, I need you. Don't throw away the years we built together. I swear I'll love you better. I'm begging you to stay. Please don't walk away. I'll change, I promise I will try to be the man you need, I won't lie. I'll put you first in everything I do. My life means nothing without you. We've been through hell and we've survived. Don't let this be where our love dies. Fight for us like I'm fighting now. We can make it through this somehow. Take my hand, look in my eyes. See the truth behind these cries. I'm lost without you, can't you see? You're the better part of me. I'll spend the rest of my life making sure you know you're right, to give me one more chance tonight. Baby, don't give up the fight. I'm begging you to stay, don't leave me in the cold. I get this world without you. I'm right here on my knees, bearing my soul. Baby, I love you, God, I love you. We can rebuild what's broken, make it better. I'll love you now and forever. I'm begging you to stay, don't walk away. Please, I'm begging you to stay. Don't go, don't go, don't go. I'm begging you to stay. I need you to stay. Free in the morning and I'm wide awake, staring at the ceiling, feeling my heart break. Your pillow still smells like your perfume, and I'm going crazy in this empty room. I reach for my phone, type your name, delete it all before I hit send again. Pride won't let me beg you to come home, but God, I've never felt so alone. I'm drowning in your memory, can't breathe, can't sleep, can't set myself free. Every song on the radio plays our story, and I'm sinking deeper in this misery. I'm screaming out, but no one hears the sound of a man who's lost the only love he's found. I'm drowning in your memory, and baby, you're killing me. I see couples walking hand in hand, makes me wonder if you're with another man. Does he know the way you like your coffee? Does he hold you the way he used to hold me? My friends say I should move on, find someone new and prove I'm strong. But how do I forget the only one who made me feel like I was someone? I'm drowning in your memory, can't breathe, can't sleep, can't set myself free. Every song on the radio plays our story, and I'm sinking deeper in this misery. I'm screaming out, but no one hears the sound of a man who's lost the only love he's found. I'm drowning in your memory, and baby, you're killing me. So you're killing me. I drive past your house late at night, see your shadow moving past the light. Wonder if you ever think of me, or if I'm just a ghost of history. I still have your letters in my drawer, the ones you wrote when we were sure that nothing in this world could tear us apart. Now look at us, strangers in the dark. If I could turn back time to that day when you walked out and I let you walk away, I'd fall down on my knees and make you see that you're the only one for me. Time don't give you second chances, and love don't care about our circumstances. So here I am, broken and bleeding, still holding on when I should be leaving. I'm drowning in your memory, can't eat, can't sleep, you're haunting me. Every corner of this town holds your story, and I'm dying here in all this misery. I'm reaching out, but you're not coming back around to save a man who's going down. I'm drowning in your memory, oh God, you're killing me, slowly killing me. I'm drowning in your memory. Will somebody save me? I'm drowning in your memory, and I don't wanna be saved if it means forgetting you. love songs. Before I knew what love was, I'd ride moon with you like every fool before me. I thought love was rescue, someone to save me from myself. But you don't save me, you just sit beside me while I save myself. And somehow that's harder, but you're not here to complete me. You're here to prove I was already whole. I just couldn't see it. You don't fix my broken parts, you just hand me the tools and stay in the groove while I figure it out. Sometimes I get angry because it would be easier if you just put me back together the way I want it, the way no one ever could. But you're not here to complete me, you're here to prove I was already whole. I just couldn't see it. Last week my father called and I cried on the phone, not because of what he said, but because of what he couldn't say. When I hung up, you were reading your book. You didn't ask, you just moved your feet so I can sit down next to you. But you're not here to complete me, you're here to prove I was already whole. I just couldn't see it. I spent my whole life looking for someone to catch me when I fall. But you're not the net, you're the ground, solid, unmoving, saying get up. I'm still here. You're not here to complete me, you're here to prove I was already whole. I just couldn't see it until you. Until you. Until you. I saw you yesterday across the crowded street. Time stopped moving when our eyes didn't meet. You looked away like I was just a stranger, but my heart screamed out, still in danger. You were wearing that smile I used to love, the one that fit me like a perfect love. Now you're giving it to someone else while I'm here dying all by myself. You're the one that got away, the biggest mistake I ever made. I had forever in my hands, but I was just a foolish man. Now I'm paying for my pride, living with regret every night. You're the one that got away, and I'm the one who has to pay. I remember when you begged me not to go, said we could work it out. I said no, thought the grass was greener on the other side. Now I'm choking on my stupid pride. I've been with others, but they're not you. Nothing feels right, nothing feels true. You were the one, the only one, and I destroyed us. Look what I've done. You're the one that got away. The biggest mistake I ever made, I have forever in my hand. But I was just a foolish man. Now I'm paying for my pride, living with regret every night. You're the one that got away, and I'm the one who has to pay. I heard you're getting married in the spring. White dress, church bells, diamond ring. I'm happy for you, but I'm dying inside, knowing I could have been that guy, standing at the altar watching you walk, making promises in our sacred talk. But I threw it all away for nothing. Now I'm left here with nothing. If I could go back to that November rain, when you used to cry and calling out my name, I pull you close and never let you go. Tell you that I love you, make sure that you know that you're my everything, my only one. My moon, my stars, my rising sun. But life don't give you do-overs, and I lost the greatest lover. You're the one that got away. The love I lost, the price I paid. I had heaven in my arms, but I traded gold for broken hearts. Now I'm living in the grave, wishing I could change yesterday. You're the one that got away, the one that got away forever and always. You're the one that got away. And when you're walking down that aisle, I'll be remembering you smile, the way you love me unconditionally before I set you free. You're the one that got away. My biggest regret will always stay, the one that got away. The sun comes up, but I don't feel the warmth. Everything's cold since you've been gone. I try to smile when people ask me how I am, but they don't see I'm barely holding on. Your scent still lingers on my clothes, the ones I wore the night you left. Now every breath I take reminds me that I'm dying slow. Without your love, I'm lost at sea, drifting alone, with no remedy. It feels like eternity, I'm just existing, not living. Can't you see? Without your love, the colors fade to gray. I'm stumbling blind, I've lost my way. Baby, I'm broken, I'm barely alive. Without your love, I can't survive. I lay awake counting the hours since I last heard your voice. The silence is deafening, it's killing me. I'd give anything to have a choice, to go back to the moment when I could have changed everything. But now I'm stuck in this nightmare where you're gone and I can't breathe. Without your love, I'm lost at sea, drifting alone, with no remedy. Eternity, I'm just existing, not living. Can't you see? Without your love, the colors fade to gray. I'm stumbling blind, I've lost my way. Baby, I'm broken, I'm barely alive. Without your love, I can't survive. I drive past places, we make memories. Every corner of this town haunts me. The restaurant where we had our first date, the park bench where we stayed up late, talking about our future dreams. Now those dreams are shattered at my feet, and I'm picking up the pieces of a love that felt complete. And tell me how to breathe when you're the air, tell me how to live when you're not there. I'm reaching out into the darkness, hoping that you'll find me. Take my hand and guide me back to where we used to be. without your love. I'm nothing at all without your love. I'm just waiting to fall without your love. I'm already gone without your love. I still remember the moment our eyes first met, like lightning struck and the world just stopped. You were dancing in that white dress, hair falling down, and I knew right then, mi amor, I was lost. They warned me you would break me, said your love was dangerous fire, but I would burn 1,000 times just to feel you one more night. I will love you till my last breath leaves my lungs, until the stars fall from the sky and time is done. Even if you're in another's arms tonight, I'll be loving you with every beat, every fight. They can bury me 6 feet down in the ground, but my soul will still be searching for the love we found. Hasta mi último suspiro, hasta el fin, I am yours, and you are everything. I walk these empty streets we used to own. Every cafe, every corner holds your ghost. The music plays, but I can't hear the song. Without your voice, I'm just a man alone. I wear the ring you left behind against my heart where it belongs. Cause breaking vows might break the paper, but it doesn't make this love less strong. I will love you till my last breath leaves my lungs, until the stars fall from the sky and time is done. Even if you're in another's arms tonight, I'll be loving you with every beat, every fight. They can bury me 6 feet down in the ground, but my soul will still be searching for the love we found. Hasta mi último suspiro, hasta el fin, I am yours, and you are everything. Maybe in another lifetime we'll get it right. Maybe heaven's where our broken pieces mend. But I'd relive every moment, every tear, every fight, just to hold you in my arms again. They say that love's supposed to set you free, but all I want is to be your prisoner. Chain me to your heart for eternity. Cause freedom means nothing if you're not here. So let the rain fall down and wash away everything except the way you said my name in the darkness when you held me close. That's the only proof I'll ever know. Si mañana sol no sale más, I'll die happy knowing that I loved you true. No regrets, no looking back. My heart belongs to only you. I will love you till my last breath leaves my lungs, until the ocean's dry and every song is sung. Even when this life is over and I'm gone, my spirit will be calling you to come back home. When they lay me down beneath the stone, right, he loved her more than he loved his own soul. Hasta mi último suspiro, hasta el fin, until my lips por siempre, you are everything.